That is the compound inequality, but instead of saying and, it says or. But we're going to use the same technique. We're going to have x plus 2 is greater than 5. When we move that 2 to the other side, we get x is greater than 3. Then we're going to solve the other one as well. 2 minus x is greater than 5. We're going to move that 2. We get negative x is greater than 3. When we divide by negative 1, that makes x less than negative 3. So it switches that symbol to the other direction. So we're going to graph both of these on the same number line. 0 in the middle. We have negative 3 over here. Positive 3 over here. Again, I recommend 2 different colors so you can really see what you're doing. X is greater than 3. Greater than 3 is to the right, with the parentheses, arrow to the right. And then the other inequality says that x is less than negative 3. So that's parentheses to the left, arrow to the left. Now in an or situation, when it says or, we wrote this down, or means one or the other or both. So you kind of just put them all together. So we're going to have both inequalities included in our answer. That means we're going to go from negative infinity to negative 3 with the parentheses, union, which means together with, another parentheses, positive 3 to infinity. So if that said and, there would be no solution because they don't overlap. But because it says or, it's going to be each interval together like that. So from negative 3 back to negative infinity and from positive 3 forward to infinity.